Here are 4 myths that I'm going to bust off running a D2C brand. Most people think performance marketing is all you need to get sales. This is completely wrong. You need to have a mix of content marketing, SEO, positive PR, audience engagement, word of mouth, and a lot more. Secondly, in order to establish a successful D2C brand, you'll have to choose between a red pill and a blue pill. Now, what are these pills, you may ask? Revenue and profit. To make enormous revenue, most brands have to keep their margins low, which gives you scale, but to be a high profit business, you'll have to compromise on revenue. Thirdly, it's all sexy in the D2C space. Let me tell you this, D2C is extremely difficult to crack and make it a profitable one. People believe investors throw money at D2C brands. Do you know that D2C market has one of the lowest valuation revenue multiples at just 2.5x, which means investors will value at 25 crores only if you have made 10 crores in revenue. Whereas in the tech industry, it has a revenue multiple of 10. Apart from all of this, don't be discouraged, my friend. D2C is still a phenomenal space to be in and make one kick-ass brand and the future of commerce too.